Yep. I just put battery acid on my finger. Inside this. I think it's battery acid. I don't know. If it starts burning, we'll find out. Probably not the best idea to do. Here are some things you should never do when messing with a battery. Okay, do not do this. Okay, do not swab your finger around on the inside and pick up any battery acid. See what I did? Don't do that. It's dangerous. You can get hurt doing that, especially if you don't know what it is, like I do. No fucking clue. I know. It's also. Oh no, I think it's tar. It's sticky. I don't know, but if this is acid, it's gonna burn really bad. I got it. Should I not? I should probably not be doing this. Oh, girl. Oh. Hang on. Yeah, I'm hooking it from the charger. Moving from where I was setting. I'm gonna sit down on the floor because I'm not about to get that. There we go. And I got a vacuum. It was a little dirty. Here's a match. Almost. Oh, there we go. Let's see. You know what? Oh. What's that? Okay, so nothing's happening. Just gonna, I don't know, swap my finger there some more. Yeah. I'm really just kind of betting. I kind of want my finger to start like burning or something. Make it worth it. I just got some on my notebook. I'm just gonna set that right there. It's a notebook. I'm gonna line my notebook. Notebook's up by the doors to make the light don't get out. Don't want to wake nobody up. Things like 11 o'clock at night. And that'd be like very bad. Like folks showing up. Like I shouldn't even be up right now. Okay. Okay, I'm feeling something. I don't think it's really a burning sensation. More like a slight tingling sensation. I saw something. Got a pencil. Hey. Swab it around in there a bit. No, so I don't think this is battery acid. I don't know. It should be burning by now. Nah, it's tar. I'm trying to figure out a good way. Something like a stand or something. Let's like make one out of. I don't know. Oh, there we go. I think this. Now. There we go. There we go. Now, time to proceed with taking a photo. There we go. Yep. I have no idea how well you can see this. I can't even see the screen. I'm on right now. still has a chance to prove this is battery acid. Yeah, let's get it right. Stuck to my finger. I think I just cut myself. Ooh, isn't this beautiful? If this is battery acid, this is gonna suck so bad. Let's go at it with the book. Go over here. Get something else. What's that? That's nice. I have no idea what this is. Okay, I'm gonna break it. Okay. You know, I hope this thing isn't like releasing any kind of dangerous fumes. I'm screwed. I like the way that feels on my skin. This probably isn't very safe. Never do this. No, that's not safe at all. This right here. This never do. This is very, very, very unsafe. See, if your hands end up like this, that means you're not doing it right. No, make sure they never end up like this. No, because if your hands end up like this, that could be bad. I mean, very bad. Especially if they end up like this. Yeah, see, don't let your hands end up like this. Okay. Oh, yeah. All right. I think that's about done it. Sorry, holding the phone with 2 fingers. There we go. Yep, that's the aftermath. Look at that. It's beautiful. Had a little bit of stuff on the phone. And I think I shall take my leave now. If you haven't already, make sure you go and subscribe to Jacksepticeye, Markiplier, and PewDiePie. Don't ask why, just do it. But I just set the phone down on the floor.